The Cleqee P2000 series presents itself as a comprehensive solution for signal acquisition in electronic testing. This oscilloscope probe kit is designed to serve as a fundamental interface between a circuit under test and an oscilloscope, facilitating accurate waveform visualization and measurement across various applications. Core to the P2000 series capabilities are its distinct bandwidth offerings, available in 60 MHz, 100 MHz, and 200 MHz variants, corresponding to the P2060, P2100, and P2200 models respectively. This range provides users with the flexibility to select the appropriate probe for their specific frequency requirements. Each probe further incorporates X1 and X10 attenuation settings, a standard feature enabling proper signal scaling and protection for the oscilloscope input, depending on the amplitude of the signal being measured. In practical use, this test lead kit is well suited for a broad spectrum of electronic development and troubleshooting tasks. From analyzing general-purpose digital and analog circuits at lower frequencies to investigating more demanding high-speed signals within the 200 MHz range, the series offers a reliable means to connect and observe circuit behavior. Its designation as a test lead kit implies readiness for immediate deployment in various testing environments. Regarding design and usability, the inclusion of a BNC connector across the series ensures broad compatibility with most standard oscilloscopes. The unified P2000 series designation suggests a consistent approach to engineering, aiming for straightforward integration into existing test setups. As a test lead kit, it provides the necessary components for establishing a stable connection, contributing to efficient and reliable signal analysis. In summary, the Cleqee P2000 series oscilloscope probe kit delivers a flexible and essential component for any electronics workbench. With its range of bandwidth options and standard attenuation capabilities, it offers a practical and versatile means for engineers and technicians to effectively capture and analyze electrical signals using an oscilloscope.